Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Brenda from Be Art, and I decided to do a little face reveal for you today. Hi guys, it's Brenda from Be Art, and today I'd like to bring you a pour that is inspired by one of my favorite things. I've always been inspired by the ocean and sea turtles in particular, so every color that I chose for this canvas is inspired by a sea turtle. I'm also going to show you a little bit about my mixing process, so look for that in the video. If you have any comments or any suggestions on how I can make my channel better or more engaging, please leave them in the comments below. I always like your likes and I always like your subscribes, so please feel free to do that as well. Thank you very much.